If you are driving a modern diesel truck or car, you know that the ESCAR system is your best friend for keeping emissions clean. But it can be your worst enemy when it starts throwing codes like P20BE, which points directly to a performance issue with the reductant heater B control circuit. This system is designed to inject DIEF or diesel exhaust fluid into the exhaust stream to break down dangerous NOx gases, but because that fluid is mostly water, it can actually freeze when the temperature drops below zero. To prevent your system from turning into a block of ice, the manufacturer installs several heaters in the reservoir and the supply lines, and the letter B refers to a specific heating element that the PI-CM is currently worried about. When this code hits, you might see a reduction in engine power, or even a countdown on your dash telling you that the vehicle will not restart after a certain number of miles because the computer will not let you drive without a working emission system. Usually this is caused by a burnt-out heating element or a faulty temperature sensor inside the tank, which is a very common failure point on trucks like Ford or Chevy, especially as they get older. You can use your DVOM to check the resistance of the heater element itself, because if it shows an open circuit, then you know for sure the heater has failed, and you will likely need to replace the entire sending unit assembly. Also keep an eye out for any corrosion in the connectors, because road salt and moisture love to eat away at those low-mounted plugs, and a little bit of green crusty buildup is enough to trigger a voltage error. If you are seeing this code in the middle of a hot summer day, there is a good chance you are dealing with a software glitch or a programming error in the PI-CM that might require a flash update from the dealer. This is one of those situations where you really do not want to wait, because ignoring a DIEF issue can eventually lead to a clogged particulate filter or damage to the expensive catalyst, which will cost you way more in the long run. Take the time to inspect the wiring harness for any chafing against the frame rail, and make sure your battery voltage is strong, because these heaters draw a lot of current, and a weak charging system can cause all sorts of weird phantom codes in the emission modules.